This video will guide you through a typical monitor installation on a 420 tank. This tank is already equipped with a read-ready dial, so the installation will be fairly straightforward. To begin, we'll magnetically mount our monitor to the shoulder of the tank, ensuring it is visible and clear of any obstructions which may cause signal interference. Remember, signal interference most often occurs when a monitor is installed between the home and the tank, so it's important to never hide the monitor from view. Visibility is also important so a monitor is not accidentally knocked off the tank during a fill. Step 2. Uncoil the lead completely and thread it through one of the portholes. Remember to preserve the tie wraps. They will come in handy in step 3. When threading your lead through the porthole, be mindful not to tug too tightly. Too much stress on the wire could damage your lead over time. Once this is done, connect the lead to your dial. While applying firm pressure, slide your read-ready sensor in place, ensuring it is laying perfectly flat and snaps into your dial securely. Remember, improperly connecting your sensor will result in inaccurate readings. It is also integral to ensure the dial is clean. Metallic particles found in dirt or sand can interfere with the sensitive magnetic technology. Step 3. Take an extra few seconds to protect your investment. Make sure your lead is neatly tucked away to avoid damaging your wire during maintenance and refills. Bundle the excess lead into a neat loop and use the tie wraps from earlier to secure it together. Once this is done, find an area within the collar to safely tuck it away and double check that your lead has no tension and is resting stress-free.